My name is Dr. Ed Barnes. I'm the Vice Dean of College Affairs at the College of Osteopathic Medicine of the Pacific at Western U. What makes this project unique is originally, at the initiation of the pandemic, we struggled with how to accommodate the number of students that we had and give them the experiences that they required to become the physicians that they were going to be. We had groups of about 150 students that we had to train at once. And in the pandemic, off-site locations became a big lift for us. So as we thought about reinventing and structuring a room that accommodated that number of students, there was no way we couldn't have done it without having the proper media aspects to it, the audiovisual effects, so that our students, no matter where they are in a room, they're able to see and engage the professors, the instructors, and engage each other.
My name is Michael Bradford, and I am the manager of audiovisual services here at Western U. We were given the challenge of remodeling clinical hands-on spaces for our College of Osteopathic Medicine. This learning space, being as big as it is, required a lot of monitors and required technology that we had not used before.
This original space that we're sitting in right now was 4 different learning spaces that we were consolidating into one. Some of the posts in the room were weight-bearing and we could not move them, so it definitely would affect the eye line of a significant number of learners. So with that, we thought, well, with where technology is today, could we put enough monitors around and engage a sound system that made it like they were present at the front of the room to make that learning as effective as if they were having direct line of sight. The biggest obstacle there was the size of the room, where the posts were, and just the ability to have them separate significantly enough, especially during a pandemic time. We also started to integrate things like having mobile video or using iPad technology to have it a little bit more effective for our instructors to be able to show what's happening at the front of the room, but then also be able to migrate around the room, maintaining that video for everyone else as they are learning. ClearTech has been a great partner in this. We gave them a pretty short timeline, and they worked really well with us to make sure that we rolled out this system in a timely fashion. We were still trying to teach within the classroom and having stages of development and growth with this, with the technology while they're inputting it and still trying to teach. They worked around our schedules like I don't think many other companies would have.
ClearTech's service to me has been nothing short of wonderful. The relationship that we have is that of a friendship. Though it is a business partnership, you're treated like a friend. The interactions that we have with the maintenance department, the service department, they're all positive experiences, all positive. Our communication with ClearTech is as simple as picking up the phone.
I would say our relationship with ClearTech has been wonderful. I think the kind of first name basis relationship that we've developed over time and being able to reach out if something wasn't going right, I think that was really helpful. We look to utilize them for several of our projects just based on these 2 big projects that they just worked on us.